Now right here I have the evidence, and I am fixing to investigate here in my little spot where I study stuff. Now, pardon the pink. This is the only known image of the Thomas Hewitt guy, the Chainsaw Massacre dude. Wee. Yes, he's very scary. This is a picture of the nail and the hair. Oh, I took these pictures myself. Actually went there, had the balls. Here, you can't really tell, but these are fingers. This is the glasses and a little, it looks as if it were a cross. Yes, very demonic. That is a spine. I found it. It was in a ditch. Okay, I think that's, what is this, a shoe? It looks like a shoe was stabbed right here, I'm not sure. Wait, let me read the back. Oh, how obtained by gloves. Location of recovery, Hewitt home. Ooh. Okay, this is this something man's shoe. It was torn, dirty, sole ripped at bottom. So that must be like some type of, yeah. This is a chainsaw killed to just kill the victims and whatever. And this is the hammer that killed that other guy, that one, the hot one. Now, right now, as we speak, I am inside that house where they killed the dude. So, yeah. It's so tragically scary. Did you hear that? Okay, I must investigate this myself. Okay. Now, I am going to walk over to the furnace room. Okay, those hats, they're just there, I don't know. I'm scared. Oh! I got dragged, okay?